Tasty ivy gourd stir fry recipe. This recipe is very tasty when served along with rice. We need only 15 minutes for the preparation. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add 1 small chopped onion, half teaspoon chilli flakes. Mix it well. Saute it for 3 minutes on medium flame. After 3 minutes, keep it low flame. Then add a pinch of turmeric powder and mix it for a minute. Now add 250 grams of ivy gourd. Also add 1 center slit green chilli, some curry leaves, 3/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Then add 2 tablespoons water and close the lid. Cook for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, we can open the lid. Add half teaspoon pepper powder and mix it well. Cook for 4 minutes on medium flame. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Stir every 30 seconds in between. After 4 minutes, we can switch off the flame. Our tasty ivy gourd stir fry recipe is ready. This recipe is very tasty when served along with rice. Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.